When perimeter barriers fail and subterranean termites bypass them, post-construction termite treatment often requires targeted excavation and trenching to restore protection. Begin by assessing the entire foundation line for signs of termite activity, including mud tubes, frass-like material, and soft or blistering wood. Work methodically and map affected zones so you can prioritize high-risk areas first. Excavate a continuous trench along the foundation to expose the soil profile down to the footing, keeping trench depth and width consistent with local code and product label directions. This allows precise termiticide placement and reveals defects in grading or barrier installation. Apply a labeled liquid termiticide to the trench bottom and walls at the rate specified on the product label, using calibrated equipment to ensure uniform coverage and avoid under-application. Backfill in lifts and thoroughly compact to restore contact between treated soil and structure. Where a physical barrier is present but compromised, remove damaged sections and reinstall barrier materials so they project properly from the foundation and maintain a clear inspection gap. Use corrosion-resistant fasteners and seal penetrations around pipes with approved materials. Repair graded transitions and exterior drainage to eliminate soil contact with siding or sheathing, extending downspouts and correcting soil levels so water moves away from the foundation. Moisture control reduces termite pressure and prevents future bypasses. Document every step with date-stamped photographs, diagrams, treatment logs, and product label information so future inspections clearly show what was done and why. Common mistakes include shallow trenches that leave untreated soil under foundation voids, which you can avoid by verifying trench depth reaches the footing and treating all exposed soil surfaces. Another frequent issue is applying diluted or uneven termiticide coverage, which a calibrated pump and following label rates fixes by ensuring proper concentration and uniform application. Homeowners sometimes restore grade or backfill improperly after treatment, creating voids or soil against siding, so always compact backfill in layers. Confirm a clear inspection gap and correct exterior drainage immediately. We build bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects like remedial trenching and post-construction termite treatment, and we host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange practical advice and experiences. We make it easy for contractors to find work and for homeowners to compare approaches and learn what questions to ask before hiring.